cake. Ooh, cookies, pie, cobbler.
So in a shallow pan, we got 1 egg. We're going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and we're going to beat that together. In another shallow pan, we're going to put 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of dried tarragon, and we're going to mix that together. And you need, the recipe calls for garlic salt, but I decided to leave that out. So in a pan, I got 2 tablespoons of butter and about a tablespoon of salad oil. I'm going to melt that in the oven. So let's get our food all gathered together. So you want to put your chicken legs in the egg mixture, roll it around, make sure it's pretty well coated. So that I'm going to do real quick. And then, you know the drill, we're going to put it in our bread mixture, our breadcrumbs mixture. Sorry about that. So we got to let the little excess drip off, and we're going to roll it in our bread mixture. Make sure it's good and coated before we move on to putting it in our baking pan. That is in the oven melting butter. So in the salad oil. Getting it hot. So the recipe says while you're putting your chicken legs in your pan, to roll it in the butter salad oil mixture and then put it in the oven. Make sure the salad oil and the butter is coated really good. And then we're going to bake for about 45 minutes until it is really done and good.